Question 1. A 20-year-old male presented with localized bone pain, which is gradual in onset and worsening over time. The lesion has a sunburst appearance. What is the most likely diagnosis? A. Osteosarcoma. B. Chondrosarcoma. C. Ewing sarcoma. D. Osteochondroma. Answer: A. Osteosarcoma. Explanation: the sunburst pattern on X-ray indicates aggressive periosteel reaction typically seen in osteosarcoma. Common in young males, affects the metaphysis of long bones like distal femur or proximal tibia. Question 2. Identify the instrument. A. Böhler-Braun splint. B. Thomas splint. C. Volkmann splint. D. Buck's traction splint. Answer: A. Böhler-Braun splint. Explanation: Böhler-Braun splint is used for immobilization and traction of lower limb fractures, especially femur and tibia. It allows for elevation and countertraction. Question 3. A 23-year-old male epileptic patient presents with pain in the right shoulder. Examination reveals the right upper limb in abduction and external rotation. What is the most likely diagnosis? A. Anterior shoulder dislocation. B. Posterior shoulder dislocation. C. Inferior shoulder dislocation. D. Bankard's lesion. Answer: A. Anterior shoulder dislocation. Explanation: anterior dislocation is the most common type. Presents with abduction and external rotation deformity. Though posterior dislocations are common in seizures, the position described fits anterior dislocation. Question 4. A 7-year-old child was brought with bow legs, and X-ray of wrist shows classical signs. What is the diagnosis? A. Rickets. B. Scurvy. C. Hypophosphatemia. D. None. Answer: A. Rickets. Explanation: rickets is due to vitamin D deficiency in children. Features include bow legs, widened epiphysis, and cupping fraying at the wrist metaphysis. Question 5. Identify the fracture. A. Depressed fracture. B. Linear fracture. C. Hinge fracture. D. Gutter fracture. Answer: A. Depressed fracture. Explanation: a depressed fracture typically involves skull bones, where a portion of the bone is pushed inward. Commonly seen after blunt trauma. Question 6. A carpenter presents to OPD with pain in the knee. MRI knee is shown. What is the likely diagnosis? A. Housemaid's knee. B. Clergyman's knee. C. Knee abscess. D. Anserine bursitis. Answer: A. Housemaid's knee. Explanation: housemaid's knee is equal to prepatellar bursitis, common in people who kneel frequently. Seen in occupations like carpentry. Localized swelling in front of the patella.